What's happening, guys? Welcome back. Sorry about my voice. I'm a bit sick at the moment, but I thought I'd release this video anyway. I picked up a HKS SSQV blow-off valve the other day. I bought it second-hand. To be honest with you, I'm not sure if it's real or if it's fake. I'm hoping you guys can help me out. This is the one that I've seen on eBay and stuff like that. This is the one I actually have. So it looks the business. It's got all the parts there, like I guess markings to say that it is genuine. Everything I've been able to find out on the net says that it's genuine, but I don't know, if I'm honest. So what the plan is to do is we're going to change the blow-off valve from the standard one over to the HKS Super Sequential. The engine bay of the car at the moment is really dirty, but again, we're here to do mods and not to detail the engine bay. So I guess the plan of attack is just to replace everything like we did before. I'm not going to show you how to take the blow-off valve off because you can see that in one of my earlier videos, which I'll link down in the description below. So yeah, pretty much in a nutshell, that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to do a bit of a comparison to before and after we replace the blow-off valve and see what the different sound is. Obviously with the normal one on there now with the pod filter, it has that bit of a sound, but that's about as far as it goes. So this is a bit of a comparison side by side. As you can see, the HKS blow-off valve is quite a bit larger than what the normal RB25 blow-off valve is. So I'm interested to see what it sounds like. Like I said, it does look the business, but who knows? It's got an RB25 attachment there, so we'll have to have a listen now and see what it sounds like. So what do we think? Is it real or fake? The reason why I think it might be real is these are some photos that I've taken off the net, which basically show a fake version of the blow-off valve, which mine looks nothing like. It's got all the markings, but then again, I don't 100% know because I've never had one before. So mine has all the markings. It doesn't have the markings that this one has, and the paint on mine seems a lot better than what this one does. I mean, this just looks like it's poorly made. You can see up there one of the nuts is actually rusted, so it's a bit weird for me. I guess I've driven it now, so it sounds a lot different when you're driving. So what I'll do is I'll put up a video of that now and you guys can tell me what you think of that one. Alright, so what did we think of that? Obviously, when you drive, it sounds completely different, and it has that HKS sharp hiss of air that you get when it is apparently a HKS Super Sequential blow-off valve. Again, I'm probably like 75-80% sure that it's real. I'm not 100%. I've never owned one before. I've never been around a car that's had one before, but I'm pretty sure it's real. Again, those guys who have watched this, maybe you can let me know. Obviously I don't like fake parts, so if it's on the car, I kind of want it off. But yeah, a bit of an insight as to obviously how they're meant to sound, I guess. Again, not entirely sure, but yeah, it sounds good as far as I'm concerned. But maybe those of you who have watched this and know what they're meant to sound like can obviously fill me in. Thanks for everyone for watching this and tuning in again. I'll be having another video out soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.